Good morning, everyone. I have been called downstairs. It's Valentine's Day, so I thought that I would start the vlog here because I'm nervous. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is so cute, TBR Road. Oh, that's so cute. Are you kidding me? So I told you in the last vlog that Ref got me this little book basket. This is so sweet. Okay, I'm gonna open this like fully and like understand what's going on, and then I will come back and show you everything. Okay, you guys, this has just been so cute. So he got me all these books. So we've got, he didn't realize this was the second book in the series, but that's okay. We'll just get the second one. It's really easy. But The Handmaid's Secret, the first one is The Handmaid, or just The Housemaid. And then this one is The Housemaid's Secret. He got me Wretched, which I was needing this book because it's the third book in the Never After series, and I've read the first two. So there's this one, and then he got me the first book in the Twisted series, so Twisted Love. Very excited about that one. And then he got me these two from Brando Sando, and I did not realize, because I kind of saw a tiny little sneak peek of this when we were in Barnes, and I thought it was Mistborn, but it's not. It's this, which is so cool. I feel like I've seen people talk about this before. So this one's Skyward, and then this one is Starsight. So I think it's just a duology, but I'm so excited about that. Very like sci-fi. And then he got me Love Wager by Lynn Painter. Can't wait to read this one. And then this one from Lucy Score. I have not heard about this book, but the cover looks adorable. Maggie Moves On. I love that. And then, oh my God, this one is one that I'm so excited about. It's Things We Leave Unfinished by Rebecca Yarros. So this is before she wrote Fourth Wing, of course. But this one I've heard is so incredibly sad, but I've heard fantastic reviews about this book. And then we've got another Lucy Score book, Pretend You're Mine. So this one must be like a fake dating trope. This one, I haven't heard again anything about this one. So maybe this is one of her newer books, but I'm really excited. Very cute. And then he got me like these cute little like spa things, like body wash and a bath bomb. He got me these two little roses. These are from Venus et Fleurs that apparently last an entire year. They're like preserved, which is so cute. So he got me this beautiful blue one and this pink one. Love that. Let's see. Oh, he got me these two bookmarks. He got me an Aragon one, which I love. And then he got me a Gandalf, Lord of the Rings one. So cute. And this is what I ended up getting him. He wanted a game basket. So we actually got this at Target the other day, so he knew about this figure. But then I got him this thing, which is like a modern Game Boy, and it has a bunch of games like already in it. So it looks like this. I feel like you've probably seen these on just anywhere online. They're so cool. So I got him one of these. And then I got him, of course, the SD card to go along with it. And then he got Street Fighter Anniversary Collection. He got Silent Hill 2 for PlayStation. Then I also got him the same game for Xbox as well. So, but that hasn't come in yet. He also saw these at Target the other day, so he knew about these. But I said, oh, let me go ahead and put them in your little basket. But then he got Silent Hill Downpour. He said anything Silent Hill would be good. So I got him these. And then I got him another one of these little diorama things. But this one is Mortal Kombat, Scorpion and Sub-Zero fighting. So cool. And then I got him this little F-Zero hoodie that I hope fits. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's adorable.
Aww, and I love mine too. It's so cute. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? So I didn't vlog anything else yesterday after the Valentine's stuff because Raph had to go to work. He had to start work, and then I really needed to finish my book that I was reading. I was reading Bride by Ali Hazelwood, and I ended up really liking it. I gave it like a 4.5 stars. Anyways, today is very exciting because I booked my first Pilates class. And I'm gonna go today. Oh my God, I wanted to do Pilates for so long, but I didn't know where to like go and do it. Like where was a Pilates place near me? I'm so glad that I found one. Here is Wildfire, the book. It's so cute. This is like a special edition. The normal cover doesn't look like this. I'm gonna do this one. This one's perfect. It's pink. It says Hot Girls Read on it. It's so cute. And then let me actually show you the book again so you can see it properly, because I didn't have the selfie thing turned on, so it would have been backwards in the camera. Also, one thing that I wanted to show you, let me move you over here. So there's this company that you've probably heard of. It's called 30 Years. It's ran by Katie. If you remember Katie, she used to do makeup tutorials. She was like an OG makeup guru back in like 2015, 2016. Katie came out with a brand called 30 Years, and I bought one of their bags. Guys, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I am obsessed with this. It's so poofy. Look at this. It's like just a quilted material. It's so soft, and it comes with a crossbody strap. Look at that. Oh my God, I'm gonna take this with me to Pilates today. I've been wanting one of these types of bags because I think they're so cute, and I see a lot of people have these types of bags that are like really squishy, but that are not designer, because like I would feel so weird taking a designer bag into like a Pilates class. But this bag is so cute. I got it in the butter color, so it looks just like butter. I wanted to get it in this like cherry. They came out with a brand new color. It was like a cherry color, kind of like this, the strawberry color, but it was sold out, and they didn't have it in black. I think they do have it in black, but they didn't at the time. And I was just like, you know what? Let me try this butter color. I think it's adorable. So I'm taking this with me to Pilates today. So excited. But that's pretty much it for right now. I just wanted to show you this because I thought it was so cute. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna start reading my book, and then I will make coffee with you guys here in a minute. Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're having a great day so far. I just got back from a lashes appointment and brow appointment. So I got both things done today because Lord knows I needed to. My lashes were looking rough and my brows were okay, but they needed to be redone. But I think they look amazing. Of course, they're very dark right now because they just got done. I think they both look good. I love my lashes and I love my brows. So there we go. I wanted to do a quick little unboxing with you guys really quick because I got my first Miumiu. No, I do have a Miumiu hat, like a ball cap. I don't wear it very often. I wish I did. I just don't wear it very often. Maybe in the summer I should wear it more. But I got another Miu Miu piece that it's my first ever Miu Miu piece in this category, which I'm really excited about. I got it from Selfridges. And Selfridges, you can get stuff for much less expensive. Like, it's crazy. I don't understand how they do it, but you can get it for a lot cheaper over there. I just opened the box. I like this box. It's from Miu Miu. Can you tell what it is already? Oh, this is so pretty. No wonder Miu Miu is so popular right now, because this is really pretty packaging. I love this like blush suede pink. Of course, they're sunglasses, guys. Are we fucking surprised? No, we're not. They're sunglasses. It comes with a little cleaning cloth. And then this little pouch. Ooh, this is nice. It's like a velour or like suede, not suede, but like a velour velvet pouch. That's really nice. But I saw these on like a few Instagram posts and I was like, oh, these are really nice. I like them. And I feel like they're gonna be so cool for summer. These are gonna be these are gonna be so fun for summer. I really hope that they like fit and they're not like super loose. Like, I hope they actually fit properly. Look, guys. How do I get this off? I hate it when they put stickers on stuff. Oh, that came off really easily. And look, it says Miu Miu on the side. Oh, that's so cool. And it's even like, not like a big logo, but it's definitely like a logo. You can definitely see it. But I absolutely love. I hope they fit. I hope they're not like too. They fit, guys. Oh my God. These are going to be my summer sunglasses. I have a feeling. And then when I turn to the side, you can see Miu Miu right there. This side, I love these. I love these. Hold on. These are gonna be my new favorite sunglasses. I'm gonna wear these every day. Miranda Priestley. Who? That's all. Oh my God, I love them. I love them. I love them. And they're not like too loose or too tight. They're like perfect. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. I can understand why Miu Miu is like one of the #1 fashion houses at the moment, which is crazy because Miu Miu is Prada's sister brand and it's supposed to be like a more affordable, like more approachable price point for like the younger generation. I love these. These are gonna be my favorite spring summer sunglasses. That's what I wanted to show you. I'm gonna go and I think I'm going to read some of my book and that's it for now. I will come back to you when something else fun happens. Good morning, everyone. Where's my phone? Good morning. How are you doing today? Today is Sunday, and I have D&D today. Sorry if you can hear everything going on in the background. Oh my God, please do not mind all of my boxes. This is gross. They never tell you when you have a house, there's no dump. So like when we were at the apartment, we could just take all of our boxes to the dump that was at the apartment and just throw them in the thing. It was fine. But now we're in this house. We've been in here for over a year now, but now we're in this house. We have no idea where to put boxes. So we're trying to like break them down and like put them in the trash can like every so often, but like it's just been a lot. Anyways, I just wanted to chat, see how you're doing. I also wanted to give you a little reading update on Wildfire. This is the book that I'm currently reading. Guys, this book is phenomenal. I am obsessed with it. I am on page 218, chapter 22, and I am just absolutely loving this. This is probably going to be a 6-star read for me. It's that good. I am enamored with this book. I really, really love it. I did not think that I was going to like it this much. I knew I was going to like it because I liked Icebreaker, the first book. Every person was saying that this book is better than Icebreaker, and I was like, I don't know, maybe. Oh my God, it's leaps and bounds better than Icebreaker, and I thought Icebreaker was really good. I liked it a lot, but this book is just making me lose my mind. I love it so much. I'm tabbing it as well. And the tabs are tabbing, let me tell you. I love it. Just this morning, I got in this book, The Silent Patient. Everybody, and like literally, this was one of the biggest book talk books a couple of years ago, or like when book talk first started, but I never picked it up. I never even ordered it because I was like, I'm not gonna read that. But I do love a good thriller. I love thrillers. I love suspense. I finally bit the bullet and finally bought The Silent Patient, and I wanted to give it a shot. The chapters are super short, which I love. So I feel like it's gonna be easy to get through, and I actually got a recommendation from somebody that I follow on, I think it was TikTok, either TikTok or YouTube, said that The Silent Patient was one of the best thrillers that they've ever read. So we'll give it a shot eventually. I do love a thriller now and then. They're really good like palate cleansers for when you just need something really fast and something to keep you on your toes, and I'll probably get to it at some point. But that's all for now. I'm gonna make coffee and then I will come back to you. I'm not sure, maybe I'll just end this vlog today because it's Sunday. I literally did not do anything this week, so I feel like I have showed you nothing of like anything. So I don't know, we'll see.